I want to show you is modeling data with the calculator. We did do this when we talked about scatter plots in chapter 2. But the truth is that the way the text looked at it was basically about plot your points, then draw a line through them, then pick 2 points, and then use those 2 points to come up with the equation of a line. Okay. Generally, that's a nice exercise in trying to understand where these lines come from. But in fact, the calculator will do that for us. Okay. So if you get a bunch of data like this, and you're told to make a linear model, that means in the calculator, you got to enter the data in the calculator, right? The place where you enter in the calculator, let me do this. Second, no, I shouldn't even have done that. The place where you enter in the calculator is the stat, right? Stat and edit. If you hit stat and enter, then you're going to see L1 and L2. You should. If you don't, then we need to fix something on your calculator. But that's where you put the X and the Y values. So for this set of data that's right there, I've actually already loaded this. Algebra 2, not that one, so that I don't fumble around all day on that. And we are on page 81, number 8. So stat, edit, and you can see that I've already put those points in the calculator. Under L, these are the X values, and these are the Y values. So stat, let me write it down here. Stat, blue. Stat, edit, which is in fact just an enter. And you see the L1 and the L2, and you load the data, right? These are the X, and these are the Y. So it should look like that. Yes? If here's what you could do. If you got data in there, you want to start fresh, then it's probably a good idea to clear the memory. Just clear the memory, start from scratch. The way you clear the memory is like this, right? It's second, and then the plus key, above the plus key says mem. So second, mem, and then the 7, 1, 2. And then when you go to the stat edit, it's blank. So to clear memory, always keep that in mind, because even sometimes when you're trying to do something and if you get an error, sometimes if you clear memory and try it again, it works. It's just there's something goofy in the calculator. Clear memory. Right? Second plus for mem and 7, 1, 2, enter. That's a good thing to know in your back pocket. Okay, now let me put that back in there. Right. So I got the data back, stat, edit. There's my data. Okay, now to turn that into an equation, into a linear equation, you go stat, calc. So see that calc right there, that one right there, arrow over, and the fourth one down says linear. So that is 4, and then you hit enter. Okay, here, let me say it again. Stat, calc, 4, and enter. And you should see this. Okay, do you see what it's telling you? It's kind of like giving you mx plus b form. Unfortunately, they say AX plus B, but the A is the M, right? And then they give you the value of the A, and they give you the value of the B. So in this case, that would have been negative 1 point, I'll round it off, negative 1.3x plus 10.9. Y equals negative 1.3x plus 10.9. Right, that is a linear model for the data we were given. It's the best fit line. Right? We could draw lines in there. We could all come up with a different line, but this is the calculator drawing a line and making sure that the error is minimized. It's a regression line. It's a best fit line. Let me stop recording.